Hey everybody, welcome back. This time I'm going to show you how to update the firmware for the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. And the first thing you got to do is just go into the website. Under the support page, you're going to find the new firmware, which is the Blackmagic Camera 6.6 update. So let's download it and then let's open it up. The first thing we're gonna do is just to remove the previous camera software. So I'm gonna uninstall the cameras, and once I'm done that, I'm gonna install the new update. In the meantime, you can start connecting your camera to the power supply and also to the computer, but don't turn it out yet. So now let's go to applications and then let's find the folder, the cameras, Blackmagic cameras, and then open it up, Blackmagic camera setup, and just to verify it was downloaded today, 10/25. Boom, we open it up, and now it's time for us to turn off the camera. Let's wait for a second, and boom, now it's connected. Now let's click where it says update now. Oh, okay, so you had to close Google Chrome, all the windows you gotta open, you gotta close it down. And update now. So it might take a little while. During this process, you're gonna see the camera is gonna go dark, and also the power on button is gonna be, there's no green line there anymore. So don't worry about it. The camera is still, being updating, so as you can see over here, and it's just a matter of a few minutes and it will be done. Cool, so we're done, and then let's click done, and now we're gonna see in the camera what new features we have. And right up from the top we can see they have 3 new features. The resolution, which is 4K 2.41, 2.6, 16:9, and the anamorphic mode. The second feature that I really love is the zoom. You can zoom in to 8.0. Before I think it was only 2.0, and now you can zoom in 8.0. It's amazing. I love this because it was really hard to see now before, but now you can just go deep in it and make sure it's really in focus. Another cool feature it has is actually the frame size, where you can have the size of the Instagram or Facebook if you want to film. Thinking about those applications, you can do it now, and it's pretty cool. And another feature I like is the horizon tool, which help you to make sure the camera is level. And there's more features there. I mean, you can go more in details. I'm not really an expert with it, but these are the main ones that I really like, and I'm gonna be using it pretty soon. I mean, I don't have any anamorphic lens right now, but I'm sure I'm gonna rent it out to see how can I use these features, how can I take advantage of all these new updates. For the meantime, I think Blackmagic is going to a different level with these cameras. My camera is even a little more powerful than before. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I hope you like it, and please subscribe, like my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.